Hello guys, Joy here, back with a very interesting video, that is how to perform Unicode celebrations. I noticed 90% people don't use Unicode celebrations in online matches. So I think many of us don't know about it or don't know to perform all types of celebration. In this video I have shared everything about it and also showing how to perform this funny jumping celebration every time. So stay tuned with me till the last of this video. This is actually very easy to do. After scoring a goal, the whole left side becomes a direction button. As you can see here, just after scoring a goal, if you touch left side and move, the player also moves. You are now controlling the player after scoring a goal. Now you just have to take the player in some particular direction to perform different celebrations. So here are all types of celebrations in direction wise.
Baby, you got a bright future behind you.
Treat you better.
Bless them when there ain't no stressing. This one is straight for the girl them.
You don't have to worry about nothing. We got the fire, and we burning one hell of a something.
And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to start.
Gonna wear that dress you like skin tight, do my hair up real nice, and syncopate my skin till your heart beating. I'm tired of being oh, there it goes, a sign too much, it overflowed. What do I always spill? Every time you do get under, I hear symphonies in my head.
You can stand under my umbrella, ella, ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella, ella, ella, eh, eh, eh.
You set me free. Let me live that fantasy. Baby, we found love right where we are. I had a dream, we were about to 17. Summer nights and libertines, never growing up. We're like diamonds in the sky.
You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't feel ashamed. Switch up my style, I'm taking your lane. Switch up my club, fucking anything.
You're alive, ain't gonna do nothing like my life. You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today,
Tell me honestly,
would you still love me? See, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am.
Any cat, I'm in your waterfall. Any cat, I'm in your waterfall.
Shine bright like a diamond. 1, 2, 3. Shine bright like a diamond.